Hello, in this video I will show you how to create a X account. So it's a very easy process. All you have to do is open the application. Then you will have two options, create an account or continue with Google. So if you want, you can create an account just by entering your name, phone number and date of birth. And after that, enter your email address and password. And that will create your account. But if you want to create your account very fast, all you can do is just simply click on continue with Google. Then choose your Google ID. And that will automatically get all the information Twitter needs, and it will create your account just like that. All you have to do is enter your date of birth, then click on next, then again click on next, and now wait for a few seconds. Then it will give you a username that you can use. You can use the exact username over here, or you can type one of your own username. It's totally up to you. Then click on next, and then just simply click on continue. Then just simply give access. Now, wait for a few seconds over here. And then just simply follow anyone. Then choose your language over here. Then click on next. After that, again, just simply follow someone over here. And then click on next. And after that, you should be good to go. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.